Hey, what's up guys? It is Hyper Yoshi here, and today I'm bringing in my 100+. I know it's not with a sniper, and we're a sniping clan, but this is before I started the clan, so yeah. I hope you enjoy this. I don't know, I might just put music on in the background for the rest of this. And yeah, let's just see this. So what do you think of this gameplay, since you've already seen it, Hyper? Yeah. Yeah, I went 149 and 39 in this game. I know it's a lot of deaths, but yeah. We're going on the beast streak, maybe not. Right, this is where the beastness starts. 4. This is just a spray and pray. And I just, like, couldn't be bothered. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. With how many were spawning. Yeah. Yeah. And I'm sorry about... Yeah, I know. I'm sorry about the quality of this, guys, but I haven't got like a PVR or Elgato game capture card yet. So I'm just recording this on YouTube capture. But I still hope you enjoy the content. Oh, is the quad gonna come up? Oh. So I could have had like 10 quads. No, this is mine. What? Yeah. Yeah. I'm just wrecking them. And then, look, quad feed. I got a stealth chopper. Like, this is when I was 7th prestige. All kill it unlocked, so I got my final quad feed. That's why I was so happy. Boom. Yeah, I know, and we've got 3 seconds. I went on a ruthless, man. Yeah, what are we going on so far? 28 and 3. Wow. And that's, just remember guys, they didn't even plant one bomb, so that's like, yeah. Right. So there you go. Right, there you go. I think I died a few times here. Yeah, so like every time I could just keep killing them. I didn't even know that guy was camping there. He's aiming at his own spawn. Like, these people are so dumb. Triple. I missed the quad. I could have had like 10 quads in this game. And they just throw my attack insert. Quad. Exactly. Oh, then I died from the sniper. Yeah. That's just so newbie. Sorry about this newbie gameplay, guys. Triple. Oh baby, a triple. Yeah, I know. 1 kill. Oh my god, yeah, I would have got 200+. That's what I said that's what I said to my mate, Impact of Rays. If you guys don't know, go check out his YouTube channel, Impact Nation. They're a huge clan. They got the world's first octonuclear, so go check them out. I'll probably put a link to them in the description or something. I know. And I have to reload here. Like, all the quads I could have got. Like, when I got all these triples. Techers. And then he just jump shots me, like, what is life? Failed T4. Yeah. And I keep dying. They're all on the bomb. That one didn't fail. Triple, no. Yeah, I could add another quad there. That would have been 9 quads. Yeah. Tearing kids up. Quad. Yeah, I think we win this game. But not this round. We don't win this round. There's 3 quad feeds. Then they just stop coming. We're going 63 and 11. I get like 28 more deaths. Wow. Yeah, if I had dogs and swarm on, I probably would have got 200 plus. If not 250 plus. I was one off the 150. Yeah. Yeah, because that time I got that ruthless, mate. Oh my god. That guy's just camping in their spawn with a flipping sniper. I just keep spraying. Like, what the hell? This is... Oh, there I die. Yeah, no, sorry. Alright, that's better. Alright. Alright, hopefully I'll wreck kids here, I don't know. What surprise? No. Right. See what I mean? Look, alright, so I got 77 and 20 so far. I just end up moving my tack. When I get the 100 plus, I'm like, yeah boy. Like, how is he beating me in gunfights? Yeah, and for our clan, we're going to be getting like trick shots and feeders, so it's going to be a mix. Clips and stuff. Because I think they're pretty cool, like when you get 2 kills with one and then get another 2 kills with the other, like you can get 5 on with SMGs, which is pretty hard. Like, not as hard as sniper, but yeah. 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 I've got a couple of C4 quads actually in my recent my films, I think. Yeah. And here I'm on 94 and 28, 95. I just wanted them to defuse the bomb as quick as they could though, because like I need the extra round to get the 100 plus. I'm like, come on, defuse them. I've already got over 10,000 score. If we had won this round, the game would have been over. Yeah, boy. I couldn't get happy though because I had to keep feeding. Yeah, so yeah, I get 48 kills in one round this round. Last round I got like 73 kills. Wow. Could have got 100 plus in like one round of demo. Yeah. I think this is where I got my final quad. I end up laying my tack in their garage. And just like, and then look, bang, bang, bang. They were all running at me. Like, come at me, bro. You mad? I think this is my last quad. No, I could have had that would have been at 12 quads. No, 11. I've had 7 triples. Yeah, I know. Just to help me get to the spawn. Yeah. Wow, spray much. Yeah, I know. You guys wouldn't believe how happy I was when I got this. And, yeah, because Hyper Instinct got 100 plus. It was mostly a sniper. So... yeah, because he got 116 kills, so, and 3 of them were with a shotgun though, at the start, and like when he started to get mad. Well, not mad, but like fed up with keep dying, so he just pulled out shotgun. This is... yeah. And I think, yeah, I think this is where I got my last quad feed. Yeah. I think I might have already got 4 quads. Yeah, I think I've already got my 4 quads. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this 100 plus with Hyper Instinct. And be sure to look out for more interesting videos. Peace. Do you have anything to say?
Yeah, no.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.